Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to remove those black bars that appear when you're using a stretched resolution on your PC or laptop. So if your screen only shows part of your desktop and the rest is just blacked out, here's what you need to do. First, go to your Start menu or just use the search bar and type Display Settings. Click the option that appears to open your display settings. If you have multiple monitors, make sure you select the one that's having the problem. In my case, I have only one. Once you've selected it, scroll down and click on Advanced Display. It's the section that shows your monitor information and refresh rate. Now, under Display Information, click Display Adapter Properties for Display Your Number. This will open a new window. Next, go to the Monitor tab. Here you'll see an option called Screen Refresh Rate. You want to change this. If it's currently at 59 Hz, switch it to 60 Hz. Or if you already have 60 Hz, try a higher rate like 75 Hz if it's available. After changing the refresh rate, click Apply, then OK. Your screen will briefly go black and then come back on. When it does, those black bars should be gone and your screen should be properly stretched again. And that's it. You've just fixed the black bar issue on your stretched resolution. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.